Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make this beautiful lentil and mushrooms with cumin. Really delicious, very easy to make. Healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at what we have. At the back there, I've got some dal, a yellow dal. That was 1 cup of uncooked dal. It is now cooked. I just boiled it for like sort of 6 or 7 minutes. It's nice and soft now. Mushrooms, fresh mushrooms. I've got like 120 grams of fresh mushrooms there. Some cilantro or coriander, chili. I mean, up to you how much you put in. 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped, quite chunky. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. 1 decent sized tomato, try and use a nice ripe juicy one, and 1 onion. As you can see, I've cut that really small. We're going to start off with some oil, add some salt, that's about it. Okay, so I've got my pan here, I've got my wok here. You're going to need some sort of pan or pot. I've got some oil in there. I've actually got some olive oil in this one. I'm going to drop in those cumin seeds into that olive oil and let them just do their thing for a couple of seconds. Then we're going to add in our onion, and as you can see, I've cut mine really small. We're going to add the garlic. That's 1 tablespoon of garlic. I'm now going to get in my fresh chili, which is optional. You don't have to put that in at all. I'm going to cook this for about 2 minutes, medium or just above a medium heat. See you then. Okay, so that's just like 2 minutes, just getting this on the go. We're now going to add in our mushrooms. Now I've just sliced my fresh mushrooms. You can chop them if you want. I'm going to add some salt while I'm here. And again, let's go for about another 3 minutes maybe. Keep it moving. Okay, let's get that tomato in. 1 decent sized tomato. Try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato. I'm going to add that 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water. And we're going to go for about 4 minutes. What we want is those tomatoes to break down and create a little bit more sauce for us. Fantastic. Got a bit more moisture out of those tomatoes, and they're just starting to break down now. Now we can add our cooked lentils in. Like I said, I'm using this yellow lentil, which has been cooked. 1 cup. That was cooked. Let's get that in. Nice little mix. We're going to add some more water to this now. So I've used about 400 ml of water in total. But you can get this to any consistency that you want. So we're going to lower the heat now to a simmer. Let that go for about 6 or 7 minutes. We're very much done. Okay, off goes the heat. That is looking absolutely wonderful to me. Let's finish this off with a nice big handful of cilantro or coriander. Or if you wanted, you could use some parsley maybe. Let's give that a little mix in. And this is done. Absolutely wonderful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.